Welcome to BeLucky24.com, where there's a winner from each category guaranteed. Entering is easy. First, select which competition you'd like to win. There are 5 to choose from: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Each category has a number of prizes for you to win, including cars, motorbikes, watches, gadgets, luxury holidays, or simply walk away with the cash. Once you've selected the category you'd like to win, click Enter Now and select the number of tickets, then add it to your cart. Tickets are limited and start from just £10. You win, you choose. Here at BeLucky24, we have it all. So there's something for everyone. It's that simple. Next, enter your skill-based competition. You'll be shown a multiple-choice question where you'll need to exercise your skill and judgment. Each competition will have its unique question to answer. The entrants with the correct answer submitted will be entered. Once the competition has closed, the winning ticket will be determined via a random number generator and will be aired live on Facebook. Check out the FAQs page for more information, or why not call or email us. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our social media page, BeLucky24, to keep up to date with the latest news and results. We look forward to meeting you as our next big winner. Be lucky!